Hi, I'm Johnny Shield, car care professional and brand ambassador for Gary Therapy. Today, I want to give you some tips on using Gary Therapy Snow Foam V2. Gary Therapy Snow Foam V2 is a premium pre-wash solution that's gentle on paint but tough on dirt. So before you start, give the bottle a good shake to make sure everything is mixed properly. If you're using for a snow foam lance, mix 1 part snow to 10 parts water. That gives you a thick, clingy foam that safely lifts the dirt off your car. When using a pump sprayer, use the dilution ratio depending on how dirty the vehicle is. For a light wash, you can mix it at 1 to 50. For medium soiling, you can use it at 1 to 25. And for really heavy dirt, go for 1 for 10. If you're using Gary Therapy Snow in a trigger sprayer, it's perfect for engine bays or rubber seals. Dilute it 1 to 30 for engine bays and 1 to 20 for rubber seals. Just apply the solution evenly over the surfaces when you're cleaning. Let it dwell for a few minutes. That gives the foam time to loosen the dirt and grime, then rinse thoroughly with pressurised water. The great thing about Gary Therapy Snow Foam V2 is it removes dirt safely without affecting your paint, glass, plastics or rubbers. It's biodegradable, non-caustic and even has citrus-based additives to help with degreasing. And that's it, a simple professional way to pre-wash your vehicle with confidence. Gary Therapy, the brand professionals trust.